13 best and 8 worst fruits for those with fatty liver. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of fruits and how they affect liver health, exploring the importance of the glycemic index and glycemic load. We'll reveal the 13 best fruits for those with fatty liver and why, but not without first raising some intriguing questions. Does the banana, with its superfruit reputation, really benefit the liver? Which fruit do you have at home that has a surprisingly positive impact on liver health? And how does the way of consuming certain fruits can completely change their effects on our body? Stay with us to discover these answers and much more, including 8 fruits to avoid to keep your liver healthy. Let's get started. Criteria for evaluating fruits. When evaluating fruits, we adopt the standardization of 120 g per serving to ensure a fair comparison, regardless of the natural size of the fruits. This method considers 2 crucial variables: the glycemic index, which indicates the impact of carbohydrate on blood sugar level, with lower values being preferable for liver health, and the glycemic load, which measures the impact of carbohydrates in food on blood glucose, considering both the amount and quality of the carbohydrate consumed. This criterion seeks to balance nutritional analysis, focusing on both the quantity and quality of carbohydrate present in fruits. Why? A high glycemic index significantly raises blood sugar, triggering insulin spikes, which worsen insulin resistance, a problem already associated with fatty liver, obesity, and other health conditions. By choosing fruits with a lower glycemic index, not only do we protect the liver, but also contribute to better control of liver fat. Moreover, the glycemic load of fruits is a crucial factor, as it directly impacts this mechanism, influencing liver health and metabolic balance. What is glycemic load? Glycemic load measures the amount of sugar present in each serving of food, being essential to consider not just the glycemic index, but also the amount of carbohydrates consumed. Ignoring the glycemic load can result in excessive calorie intake, contributing to an increase in daily caloric load, which in turn can lead to weight gain and obesity. This weight increase aggravates insulin resistance, creating a detrimental cycle for metabolic health. Therefore, glycemic load is a crucial indicator in managing a healthy diet, especially for those concerned with weight control and liver health. What does a low, moderate, or high glycemic load mean? Classifying glycemic load as low, moderate, or high is a valuable guide for choosing foods, especially fruits, based on their impact on blood sugar and weight management. A glycemic load of 1 to 9 indicates a low level, ideal for those looking to minimize blood glucose spikes. Values of 10 to 19 represent a moderate glycemic load, suitable for balanced consumption. And a load above 20 is considered high, suggesting more cautious consumption to avoid negative health impacts, such as increased risk of obesity and insulin resistance, factors related to fatty liver. Concurrently, the glycemic index is categorized as low, up to 55, moderate, 56 to 69, and high, above 70, with recommendations to limit fruits with a high glycemic index for those concerned with fatty liver. Here are the 13 best fruits for those with fatty liver, translated into American English. Number 13. Peach. The peach, with a glycemic index of 42 and a glycemic load of 3, is great for stabilizing blood glucose. It offers vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and fiber, supporting skin health, vision, and the immune system. Its fibers help with satiety and digestion, promoting a balanced diet. Number 12. Guava. Guava is a fruit with a low glycemic index, recorded at 23, and a glycemic load of just 3, standing out for its potential to benefit health without rapidly elevating blood sugar levels. This aspect is reinforced by the presence of essential vitamins. Regarding fructose, there's a common perception that it can be harmful. However, what really causes damage to the liver is the excessive consumption of this substance, not fructose consumed in moderation. Mentioning these details takes into account the importance of balancing the diet. Number 11. Apple. The apple, with a glycemic index of 38 and a glycemic load of 6, should be consumed with its skin, as it contains pectin, which, in addition to helping with various issues, benefits the lipid profile of blood fat, making it a healthy and integral choice for inclusion in the diet. Number 10. Orange. When it comes to fruit consumption, it's crucial to differentiate between eating the whole fruit and its juice. The orange, for instance, when eaten with its pulp, has a glycemic index of 40 and a glycemic load of 5, making it an excellent option for being rich in vitamins and fibers, which slows down the body's sugar absorption. However, fruit juices like orange, apple, grape, pineapple, and mango, being concentrated, have a high glycemic load, which can lead to insulin spikes and an excess of calories, resulting in potential health damages. It's important to highlight that these measures are not absolute and can vary depending on the specific type and maturity of the fruit. For example, different types of oranges may have variations in their glycemic indexes, just as riper fruits tend to have higher glycemic indexes compared to greener ones. Therefore, to maintain a healthy diet, it's recommended to prioritize the consumption of whole fruits in their natural state, considering these variations. Number 9. Pear. The pear, with its skin, has a glycemic index of 38 and a glycemic load of 4, especially benefiting those with hepatic steatosis and improving metabolism. This is due to the fact that the fibers in the skin slow down the absorption of sugars, avoiding spikes in glucose and insulin in the blood. Eating the pear this way ensures that the release of sugar into the body occurs in a more balanced and healthy manner. Number 8. Plum. Plums, with their glycemic index of 40 and a glycemic load of 3, are beneficial for metabolism and can especially assist in hepatic steatosis, as long as they are consumed with the skin. They contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidants that promote health, offering effective support to the metabolic process. Number 7. Acai. Scientific studies point to significant benefits of acai for health, especially regarding the reduction of inflammation in the liver, improvement in cases of hepatitis, and in the decrease of inflammatory markers such as AST and ALT. Acai, with its glycemic index of 53 and a glycemic load of 8, shows promise in this aspect. However, it's crucial to differentiate the natural fruit of acai, often misunderstood, from the product commercialized on a large scale, especially in food courts. The natural acai is the focus here, while the industrialized version, often enriched with corn syrups, banana, guarana, and excess sugar, presents significantly high glycemic indexes and glycemic loads, being particularly harmful for individuals with fat accumulation in the liver. The sweetened and processed version, which may include additives like dulce de leche, condensed milk, and others, not only should be avoided due to its high glycemic index, 86, and glycemic load, but also for its potential to worsen liver problems due to the insulin spike it can provoke. Moreover, a serving of this processed version can exceed 1,000 calories, contributing even more to the issue. Therefore, when considering acai as an ally for liver health, it's imperative to opt for the fruit in its purest form, avoiding highly caloric and processed versions that contradict the original benefits of the fruit. Number 6. Cherry. The cherry, with its low glycemic index of 20 and glycemic load of 6, is an excellent choice for people with hepatic steatosis, as it does not significantly raise blood sugar and has low caloric content. Although it may seem expensive, the cost of cherries varies greatly depending on location. For example, while in Brazil it may be considered a daily luxury due to its high price, in countries like the United States and Portugal, access to this fruit is easier and the price is more affordable. This contrast highlights how location can influence the accessibility and cost of healthy foods, making cherries a viable option for many, depending on where they live. Number 5. Strawberry. Strawberries, with their glycemic index of 41 and glycemic load of 3 per 120 g serving, are ideal for individuals with fatty liver due to their richness in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, significantly aiding this condition. Number 4. Kiwi. With a glycemic index of 53 and glycemic load between 4 to 6, kiwi is excellent for metabolic health. Rich in vitamin C, fibers, and antioxidants, it promotes immunity and healthy digestion, being ideal for blood sugar control and weight management due to its natural sweetness and high fiber content. Number 3. Passion fruit. Passion fruit, with its glycemic index of 27 and glycemic load of 5, is great for liver health and helps with hepatic steatosis. Number 2. Blackberries. Blackberries stand out with a glycemic index of 25 and glycemic load of 2, ideal for maintaining stable sugar levels. High in antioxidants, vitamin C, and fibers, they improve cardiovascular health, boost immunity, and promote healthy skin, in addition to aiding in weight control and reducing oxidative stress. Number 1. Avocado. With a surprisingly low glycemic index of only 10 and a glycemic load of 2 in each 120 g serving, avocado stands out not just for its low 2 carbohydrate content, but also for the support it offers to the health maintenance process. This is complemented by the presence of monounsaturated fats, known for their benefits as good fats. What's the deal with avocado? Although it is a healthy food, avocado is quite caloric, which means that consumption in large quantities can lead to a caloric excess and, consequently, to weight gain. This weight gain can exacerbate problems such as insulin resistance and fat accumulation in the liver. However, consuming a moderate portion of 120 grams brings health benefits, balancing the positive aspects without exceeding the caloric limit. And what are the 5 worst fruits for those with liver fat? Number 8. Pineapple. Pineapple, with its medium glycemic index of 66 and glycemic load of 14, has higher values compared to other fruits. There are different subtypes of pineapple, so the values mentioned are an average. It's important to be mindful of the quantity consumed due to these nutritional characteristics. Number 7. Dried fruits. When talking about dried fruits, like apricots, it's crucial to remember that, although nutritious, they have a high concentration of sugars due to the dehydration process. This means that in a small piece of dried fruit, you find a large amount of sugar, which can increase your body's glycemic load. If you suffer from liver fat, this characteristic of dried fruits can be detrimental to your health, so it's better to avoid them to not worsen the condition. Number 6. Mango. Mango is a moderately caloric fruit with a glycemic index of 57 and a glycemic load of 16, which suggests a need for moderate consumption. There's a popular belief, widely discussed, that mango can be beneficial in treating liver fat, based on scientific studies. However, upon investigating these claims, it's discovered that the mentioned study does not refer to the consumption of the fruit itself, but to mango powder, and the observed benefits were in animals, not proven in humans. Therefore, despite the rumors and the potential interest in using mango for improving liver fat, it's important to note that the proven benefits refer only to mango powder in animal studies, leading to the recommendation of a more cautious consumption of the fruit due to its glycemic profile. Number 5. Grapes. Grapes, with a glycemic index of 61 and a glycemic load of 12, are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and health benefits. However, their high sugar and carbohydrate content, along with the calories they offer, can raise blood sugar, leading to an increase in insulin. This process can be harmful to the liver. Therefore, even with their benefits, it's crucial to moderate grape consumption to maintain a healthy balance. Number 4. Banana. The banana, often questioned if it is a forbidden fruit, is in fact not banned, but rather recommended for moderate consumption due to its specific nutritional properties. Noteworthy for its glycemic index of 62 and a glycemic load of 16, the banana requires special attention compared to other fruits. This nutritional profile indicates that it has more calories and promotes a higher increase in blood sugar levels, which can be a relevant consideration for those looking to control these aspects of their diet. Therefore, a useful tip is to limit banana intake to half the fruit, to moderate its impact on metabolism. This dietary adjustment seeks to balance fruit consumption without completely excluding the banana, recognizing its nutritional benefits while being mindful of its particularities. Number 3. Watermelon. Known for its hydration and sweetness, watermelon has a glycemic index of 72, 80, and a glycemic load of 5 for a 120-gram serving. This nutritional profile indicates that, despite being an excellent source of hydration, its high glycemic index and glycemic load require moderate consumption, especially by those monitoring blood sugar levels. Number 2. Persimmon. The persimmon, with its unique flavor and sweetness, has a glycemic index of 60 and a glycemic load of 13. These nutritional characteristics necessitate moderating its consumption to avoid rapid increases in blood sugar levels, maintaining a balanced and healthy diet. Number 1. Date. Dates are highly energetic fruits with a glycemic index that can reach up to 103, presenting a considerable glycemic load, approximately 52, due to their sugar density. This high value suggests a significant impact on blood glucose, recommending careful consumption in small quantities to avoid spikes in blood sugar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.